Hi everyone, welcome to Style tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you what is redirect and how to use it in Style platform to enhance your bot building experience. So redirect is a feature in each node. So in a node, you can actually toggle redirect, and then you can select any tree node that you want to redirect to. So the function is to actually to let you run the original tree node, and also after you toggle redirect, you can run another node immediately after. So now I'm going to teach you what kind of application you can have on the chatbot experience. I'm going to start with an example. Let's say I'm typing menu, and because I have enabled redirect in a global node for white chocolate, so when I type white chocolate directly, I can send out the white chocolate response directly. But however, if I type dark chocolate, the chatbot will not respond at all. So how do I trigger the dark chocolate? I will need to start step by step from the first tree node of the chatbot flow, which is the menu. And then now I'm going to select check out our chocolate, which is moving on to the second tree node. And then after the second tree node, then I can select the dark chocolate, which is on the third layer of the tree node. Now I have dark chocolate. The trick is that I have created a global node for white chocolate. That's why no matter where I am in the tree conversation, this global node can also be triggered. And after I trigger this global node will run a redirect back to my white chocolate response. And that is the reason why no matter where I am, when I type white chocolate, it will trigger this white chocolate tree node. So if I want to have the same effect for dark chocolate, I need to create a global node. I name it as redirect to dark chocolate. And then I set up the trigger for the dark chocolate. It's a keyword. And then I'm going to redirect to dark chocolate. So now, even though I am in white chocolate tree node, if I type dark chocolate now, it will still redirect me to the dark chocolate response. So another usage is in tree node. Let's say after you have sent out the first message, you want to immediately follow up with the second message. So let's say after I sending the white chocolate, I'm redirect users back to the product selection. So now I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to type white chocolate again. Instead of just receiving one white chocolate message, I'm going to also send out the product selection message, which is back here. So this is how you can manipulate and use redirect, and there's an infinite possibility on how you want to apply to our chatbot builder. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Thank you and have a nice day.